How to fix this person is unavailable on Messenger error. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you are getting this person is unavailable on Messenger error, then in this video I will guide you on how you can fix that. Now, if you open a conversation and here at the bottom you find an error message that says this person is unavailable on Messenger, then there might be a couple of reasons behind this. The first reason can be that this account has deactivated their Messenger account. Another reason can be that you have blocked that person. So you first of all want to make sure that this account has not been deactivated, and secondly, you want to make sure that you have not blocked this person. Now, if you are still getting this error response, then what you want to do is simply tap and hold on this account name. Now, a bunch of options will appear. Tap on the one that says restrict. Now tap on the restrict option over here. After you have restricted the account, tap on these three lines, then tap on the gear icon to open up settings. Now you want to scroll down and find privacy and safety option. Now find the option of restricted accounts. Then you want to simply tap on the account that you have just restricted, then tap on the unrestrict option. After you unrestrict, this error message will be removed and you will be able to message this account again. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.